The Congress led United Democratic Front is set to return to power in Kerala after a decade, securing a decisive mandate with over 100 seats in the 140 member assembly. The result marks a major setback for the CPIM led Left Democratic Front, ending its 10-year rule in the state. The BJP has also opened its account with a few seats, indicating a limited but notable presence. Across states, the results present a mixed political picture. In Tamil Nadu, actor turned politician Vijay has led his party to a surprise victory, reshaping the state's political landscape. The BJP has retained power in Assam and won West Bengal. Meanwhile, in the Karnataka by-polls, Congress has won both seats, reinforcing its position in the state. With Congress regaining Kerala after 10 years and making gains elsewhere, attention now shifts to governance and the party's broader national strategy. We are joined by Mansoor Ali Khan, AICC Secretary in charge of Kerala, and Lakshadweep for more on these developments. Congratulations on the Kerala win, sir. Firstly, we would like to know what's your opinion regarding Congress performance on all the assembly elections.
Thank you, Akshita. First of all, it's very heartening that we have been able to win back Kerala. UDF has been able to come back to power, and Congress, along with its allies, has done very well. And because last 10 years, the LDF had misruled the state, and there were so many scams, no development, and the people of Kerala were actually quite tired of the LDF government, and they have rightfully voted the UDF back into power with huge numbers. And as far as the other elections are concerned, Bengal is disappointing, but there was always a question mark with the way the SIR has happened in Bengal, and also I think the central agencies and the election commission has been misused. And Tamil Nadu again is a surprising the verdict, but people are finally the masters of who rules the state, and congratulations to TVK, and hopefully that in future we will be able to do better in these states. And Assam again, I would credit this victory more to the election commission and the way the delimitation process was carried out in Assam. And so the people of the country should see the way Bengal and Assam has been dealt by the election commission. This can be a big threat to democracy in future.
Also, like you mentioned about Kerala, do you think that it was anti-incumbency sentiment that led to Congress's win, that had a major share for Congress and its alliance win, or is there any other strategy that worked in the state better than all the other states?
The misrule of the LDF was so much that already the people were fed up, and Congress party came up with its guarantees and a very progressive manifesto based on development, youth, infrastructure, medical tourism, and MSMEs creation. And so we had a very progressive and the outlook for the state, what we are promising and we offer to do. So I think the people of Kerala have taken to the vision and ideas of the UDF, and also the fatigue with left LDF was saying, and with the state was seeped in corruption by the LDF, and also with no development, people obviously have voted in large numbers for the UDF.
Also, the manifesto, Kerala manifesto, is very similar to the Karnataka manifesto, the last assembly elections. And you have been a major part in strategizing as well. So how do you see that?
See, apart from the welfare schemes and the guarantees, those are the 5 guarantees what we've given in Kerala. And other than that, we also had a manifesto where we promised to integrate the rivers and waterways of Kerala, then
Yeah.
developed the MSMEs, then promised so many benefits for youth. And it was a combination of the guarantees and our progressive manifesto.
Right. And also now, like you mentioned that in Tamil Nadu, Congress performance hasn't been so remarkable. How do you see it forward?
See, as a party, we will have to introspect, and uh, we definitely have to reflect where our lapses have been. And I'm sure that the party will look into it, and the High Command will look into it. And the people have spoken, and they have given they've made the TVK the single largest party, and we'll have to accept it. And I think Congress will act responsibly with after the people have spoken and given the mandate.
And how do you see the win of Assam, the win in Assam and West Bengal now that BJP is winning these two seats again? What does it mean for overall India?
See, just check out how they have conducted the elections in Assam and Bengal. Okay, it was a very unfair elections where literally the opposition was not only fighting BJP, but they were also fighting the central
Central.
forces. They were fighting the election commission. So it is literally, I would say that. The way these two states election have been conducted, there is a lot left to be desired, and the impartiality of the election commission should be questioned in these two states.
So does uh, Congress have a plan to approach the court or take any other measure regarding the results for these two states?
See, Congress party has always fought for the right of the people of the country, and also for the democratic and constitutional institutions of the country. But I think the people also, now it's high time that the people realize what the entire elections process has been made under the this present BJP regime and the election commission. So I think the people should start questioning the process now.
And before we end, let's come back to Karnataka by polls as well. Congratulations on Bagalkot and Davangere South win as well. And
Thank you.
now that the Karnataka results are out, what would you say regarding the chief minister change and the controversy that's going on in the state?
See, first of all, I would like to congratulate the Congress party, the chief minister, deputy chief minister, and the entire party cadre, which worked very hard, and also the candidates. And it has again shown that the how well the welfare streams and the guarantees have been working in Karnataka state, and no matter how much BJP and others tried to distract the party in these two seats, we've done well, and things have gone on well. And as far as your other question is concerned, that is all decisions regarding the functioning of the party and any functioning of the party will be taken by the Congress High Command, and I'm not in a position to answer that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.